Here's the app called POV Disposable Camera Events. So yeah, you can just open it up, and then to delete your account, you can just go to your profile in the bottom right, and then you can just type request account deletion. This action will result in permanent data loss if you don't hear from you in the next 30 days. Just enter delete with caps in, and then to proceed. So yeah, that's basically the idea. That's how you delete your account. That's the process. Yeah, so something like that. And then yeah, you'll just be able to delete your account. This is an interesting app. I have just tried it, like where you can just create this instant POV cameras, share link with your friends, and all friends can just basically, without downloading the app, can take photos like of one event. Like if you're on a party, like just want to take photos, and then they will be collected in kind of one place. So this is kind of a new social media kind of a viral app. Give it a try. But in case you're concerned about your data, that's just how you can delete your account in any case.